guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for coming. Today is going to be a motivational day. It's going to be a clean with me. I have a few areas in the house I need to tackle. One being my piano room, as well as my family room, which is a heavily trafficked area, which we live there, as well as our kitchen. That's always, because the kitchen, of course, we live there. But yeah, so if you got some cleaning to do as well, turn me on. Let's clean together. Let's do this whole clean with me. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, as well as leave me a comment below. It's because I like talking to you guys. If you're new here, my name is Angel. I share everything lifestyle, so I would love to have you join me on this journey. So don't forget to go ahead and subscribe. Also, I will be doing some talking throughout the video, and I'm gonna be sharing some updates, so be sure to watch the entire video so you don't miss out on what I'm talking about and the new updates. All right, let's do this. So I'm starting in my piano room. My piano, guys, have not been dusted in like a while, but we have to clean this couch constantly because Aries loves sitting up here. Like, this is her zone. She lives in here. She likes to look out the window all day, so we are constantly vacuuming the couch off. But my piano has not been dusted in a while, so it's pretty bad. To start, it's so dusty, I really just had to like dust it off first, and then I'm gonna dust with some spray to give it some shine back. So my big announcement is that I know you see a piano in my living room, and you're probably wondering, okay, do you actually play the piano, or is that just decor? Like, most people just have grand pianos in their homes. Okay, if you're new, of course, my name's Angel, and yes, I play the piano. I teach piano. I've been playing the piano for decades. Yes, I said decades. I literally started playing in a church at the age of 7. So I'm a very proficient piano player. And as a matter of fact, I've decided to create a music channel dedicated just for music lovers. So if you guys, want to support me, be sure to go ahead and head to that channel. It's called Angel's Music World, and subscribe. I would love to have you. I will leave links below as well as at the end of the video. I'm so excited because I have not shared a lot of music with you guys unless you're following me on Instagram. I have done so there. If you're not following me on Instagram, be sure to do that, or join my Facebook group as well. I'm going to be sharing so much stuff in that group specifically. But yeah, so I'm so excited because my husband's also a drummer, so I hope to bring you guys a lot of just different music varieties and just entertain you guys. Hopefully I can touch you guys' hearts in music, so I would love to have you over there. And then I'm also going to get this light really quickly because it has not been dusted either. I love this light, by the way. It's one of my favorite light fixtures in my home. It changes colors. It comes with a remote. You can dim it, you can lighten it, you can change the color of it. It's amazing. I will leave a link for that below as well. And this coffee table I actually got from Lamps Plus, and I will leave a link for that below as well. I do not like this glass cleaner, guys. I do not. So if you have recommendations, I would love you to know below in the comments. But yeah, I'm just, dusting everything down. Now for this sofa, which Aries live on, I love this vacuum, guys. I will also leave a link for this below. It has interchangeable heads, which is amazingly and works well when you're cleaning your home, and it's cordless. I really love this thing so much. And this sofa, if you guys are wanting to know, it's one of my favorite sofas in my home. I will leave a link to where I got it from below. So if you want to know where I got anything, I try to leave as much information in my description box as possible. And if you're unsure where to find the description box, especially if you're watching from your phone, it's always that little arrow on the right side of the screen. And then I'm just gonna tackle my rugs and my floor, and this room is finished. This room, of course, as you can see, it's not finished being decorated, but you know, I don't want to rush, take my time, and once I find my pieces, I will be sure to show them to you guys as I'm adding things in here. But yeah, so the main pieces in here is just my piano, my sofa that I actually love, and you know, my rug and table. But moving on to my family room now. The first thing I like to do is spray all my furniture down with a fabric refreshener, and I let that sit a few minutes, and then I go in and vacuum it all down. And we live in here, we eat in here, we breathe in here, we lounge in here, so this is usually one of the most common areas, you know, to tackle pretty often. And again, our house is so not fully decorated. I'm finding pieces here and there as we move along, but I'm in no rush to get it completely done. I take my time. So if you guys, I do have a decorate with me video out this week that is linked to this video, where I found a wall art for this room, so be sure to check that video out when you're done watching this one. And I love these ottomans. I just have to say, these ottomans are absolutely amazing. Of all the ottomans I've ever sat in, had in my life, these are my #1 ottomans. They're a little bit more pricey, but you can get them on sale and you can use coupons, but they are so worth it. They are so worth it. I cannot speak more highly about an ottoman. So if you guys are in the market for ottomans, they have different colors, they have a variety of colors, so I will definitely make sure to leave that information below. And this room is now done. Okay, now for this kitchen. The kitchen. What can you say about the kitchen? Usually, I'm pretty sure most people live in the kitchens. It's always running around. I have my laptop in here because sometimes I'm in here working. Things just pile up so quickly in here because it's just the easiest place to come through and ditch stuff. But yeah, it's always one of the, you know, the #1 place you gotta tackle, like, consistently. And a lot of you guys have asked me about my bar stools. I also got those from Lamps Plus, and I'll leave links to those below. Also, I know you see me vacuuming my counters off. If you did not catch that last video, it was in one of my Amazon cleaning products videos. I was testing out some cleaning products. This was one of the products. It was a mini vacuum you can use for countertops and keyboards, and I love this thing, guys. it's great. Like, no more taking my rag and, you know, pulling the crumbs off. It goes in the vacuum and you can use it everywhere. So I love this thing, and I'll leave a link for it below if you want to check it out. But it's just a cute gadget to have to save me time. And then once I'm done vacuuming, I can just go wipe everything down. And with the dogs, it's hard too, because you don't really want crumbs getting on the floor because they're always putting stuff in their mouths. So, you know, by it going into the mini vacuum, it's not as many crumbs getting on the floor. You know, before I still vacuum the floors as well, but a lot of times, you know, it's just handy to have when you don't want to get crumbs on the floor. And with the pull-out trash cans, I did a video on that in the past where I installed those myself. They weren't hard, but I love having the trash cans tucked away. So this cleaner I'm using for the refrigerator is a DIY stainless steel cleaner. It's literally just made of all natural detergent and water, and I have used this over and over, and I showed you guys this hack in one of my DIY cleaning videos, and I still love it. I really do use it all the time, and it's such an easy and inexpensive cleaner for all your stainless steel. And this rug I have in here is a washable rug, and it's great for this kitchen that we live in here with the dogs. I really like this rug, and you also can interchange the head of it, so I'm so glad that we got it. For this floor cleaner, I forgot to mention that I have found the holy grail of mop cleaners, especially having dogs in the house. And that's this cleaner that I bought from Amazon. I love this. I've tried so many mopping solutions, and this one has literally been the best. It doesn't leave white residue, and it's also not harmful to your pets or to your kids, and it smells amazing. I really have to say I love this. So that's all, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to give me that thumbs up, as well as say hi to me below in the comments. I love talking to you guys. And don't forget to check out my other two videos that I have. One is the decorate with me, where I show you where I found some new pieces to add to my home, and the other is shopping for furniture and home decor on Amazon. I'll see you guys in those videos, and don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my music channel.